Must be all those dang burnouts. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy at Red Easy. What's going on? Today on this quick episode, we'll be doing the rear differential fluid change on my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. All right, let's get it. There we have it. Nice and easy. Again, you could do this on the floor. You have nice access. Use some tubing with a bottle. No pump needed. All you needed was a 10 mil extension, 10 millimeter Allen key, and an 8 millimeter Allen key for the drain plug. Drain's gonna be over here, right in the back, right? You can see it. We're gonna have to take this skirt thing off. So we need 2 10 mils. Okay. Take that off. There's the drain. We're gonna show you where the fill plug is. Do your thing. I'm gonna leave that on there. I could have had this done anyways. So we move this out of the way, and our fill plug is right there through that hole. Alright? The 10 mil Allen has the fill plug and an 8 at the bottom. Alright, don't forget to put a pan. We got this pan just so for visual purposes. See how dirty this baby is. Alright, so back at it. There's the fill. Little knob. I don't know, it's funny looking. Oh yeah. Ooh. Jeez. A little too much strength. There, buddy. I'm a little too excited here. Whoa. That is dirty. Man, this really needs to be changed. Was it changed before? I don't know. I don't know. That's freaking dirty, eh, Buckle? Must be all those dang burnouts. So we're gonna add this. It says it already has the axle limited slip additive. I don't believe them, so I'm just gonna add it anyways. Adding won't really hurt. I've always done it. I did it in the Challenger. I'm gonna do it here. So we're gonna mix this up, and we have enough room that we're just gonna freaking squeeze her in there, bud. Anyways, get our 8 mil Allen key, and then careful, it's just snug tight because it is aluminum body. So you don't want to freaking, you know, screw it up there. There you go. Just enough room. That's one way of doing it. What we could also do is we could add a little tube. I believe this is a 1/2 inch or whatnot. Could add a tube to the bottle and squeeze it through there. A lot cleaner, right? Wait till it starts dripping out the hole and freaking send her. It's faster too. It's definitely faster. You know, with the pump, you gotta suck. There you go. Nice. That's what I was looking for, the drip. I was looking for the drip. Okay. Get our 10. And there. Boom. All right, so we successfully did it without taking this bad boy off. Throw that baby back on. All right, 10s. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps. Peace.